All right, good morning, folks. Out here on the farm. Gotta take this earbud out so I can hear what I'm saying to myself. So you see I got a bunch of wood. I was out here working yesterday. I forgot the camera, but you guys have seen people cut wood probably. I mean, me cutting wood is no different. So I'm building a couple chicken tractors. So I got everything cut. I'm notching for some lap joints right now. So you see down there, I got it notched. I got my rails notched here. So I got a couple more pieces to do, and then we're going to start assembly. So good times. This camera is hard to self-film, so I'm going to put you on the tripod and you guys can just hang out and watch me for a little while. Alright, I'm going to put you guys away for now because the camera's getting dirty and it's not a cheap camera. So, let me... So what I'll do is when I start assembling, I gotta notch these 4 more boards. And then I got a couple other things I got to do before I start assembly. So once I do that, I'll turn you guys back on. All right, so this is what we got. Y'all know I'm terrible at making content anyway. So this is a almost complete chicken tractor. So it still needs wire, and it will get hardware cloth around the first 2 feet, so right around the base right there. Will be covered in hardware cloth. Chicken wire will obviously be covering the top, and then on top of the chicken wire is going a white tarp. So I don't have the tarps yet, they're on the way. They should be here this week sometime, but that's the basic structure minus the door. I still haven't built the door pieces are still sitting over there somewhere, but yeah, that's it in a nutshell. So we got the rope. That's how you move it. Tires are on this one over here. So 1 set of tires for up to however many chicken tractors you got. You only move 1 tractor at a time. So you see, I mean, it moves pretty easy. It has some weight to it. But the land that we're using, I've already kind of mapped it out in my brain how we're going to move them, and it'll be going downhill. So that's it. This is what I've been doing all day. Putting these together, bending conduit. My bends are not the greatest. I don't know what happened to my bends. So I got it all to work. It's just a chicken tractor for the love of Mike, so it's not that big of a deal. I just would have liked it to have been a little bit prettier, but oh well, it's all good. All right, guys, thanks for watching.